How to turn off notification sounds on Steam? Here's how. First, open the Steam app. If you can't find it, simply search for Steam from the Start menu and open it. Now, click Steam in the top left corner of the window. Select Settings. Next, click Notifications from the menu on the left. At the top of the page, you'll see the option Play a sound when a notification toast is displayed. Simply turn off this toggle to disable notification sounds for all Steam notifications. If you only want to disable sounds for specific notifications, scroll down the page. You'll see a list of different notification types. Turn off the toggle next to any notification sound you don't want to hear while leaving the others enabled. That's it. You've successfully turned off notification sounds on Steam. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more quick and easy Windows and Steam tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.